backseat of the bus. Tony, wheel the shoestring on your knees. Between the chickens and the carrots, a young girl stares at us. Backpack hippies eager to be free. Then the engines burn in and the wheels start turning. There they go, it gets misty for a while, waving around the corner, then they're gone. TripAdvisor hotspots, making new friends with a smile, checking out volcanoes in the sun. Then the engines burn in and the wheels start turning and the walls crumble down, and a human being saw what we have seen, and the walls of the world crumble down. Then the engines burn in and the wheels start turning and the walls crumble down, and a human being saw what he had seen, and the walls of the world crumble down. And I really hope the daughter of my daughter's daughter will be traveling. Bad day for poor misfortune, serving customers outside in the rain. Another day of global warming. Too many simple things, too hard to explain. Too many leaders infected with stupidity. Religious freaks say their God is the best. The need and the greed of the bonus bankers who pray for themselves and don't care about the rest. And my hands are cold and lonely, and my feet are tons of steel, and my mind is struggling with the way that I feel. Yeah. Another summer with burning flowers, a million dreams This is the room where the Queen reads and writes, and this is the green marble hall, and there is the den of the sweet little princess with pictures of grandma on the wall. It's such a beautiful day, and we're sure, pretty sure that our castle will stand the test of time. We won't be washed away. Look, there's the garden with lilies and roses. The king drinks a beer in the bar. Over there is the spiral that leads to the cellar. The roof has the shape of a star. We are building a castle on a beach. It's such a beautiful day, and we're sure, pretty sure that our castle will stand the test of time. We won't be washed away. All the waves like facing together now. What about me, lonely me? I stretch my arm, I touch your hand, I'm free, yeah. Oh yeah. When we stand tall and understand that leaving here is no good plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, leaving you behind on me. If you wanna see me there, run for what you wish for, be aware. This is the room where the Queen is dancing, and this is the door to our hearts.